Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your POCO M8 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the brightness in the settings. So the way you do that is you just go over to the settings, and here in the settings we're gonna go over to display and brightness. Here first what we want to do is we want to adjust it. So for an example, I'll adjust it like that, and now we need to make sure that we disable automatic brightness. After that, if you still experience screen flickering, what you guys want to do is download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. So go over here and go to search for screen dimmer, and then type the OLED Saver. Here you need to ignore the sponsored app, so it's paid actually, it's less than $1, but still I would recommend ignoring this. We are going for this app right here. It has 100k plus downloads and 4.3 stars with 742 reviews at the time of the recording. So we want to install it, and it should take less than 10 seconds, even a second. So just click on open, and here grant the first permission, which is allowing to modify the system settings. And it needs this because whenever you actually change the brightness, then you need to give the permission to change it. Now here in the accessibility, go to general and then downloaded apps. Here go to screen dimmer and click on use screen dimmer. Here you need to click on I'm aware of possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily. And what it does basically, as you guys can see, read all screen content and control screen. It has to do that because whenever you use the keyboard overlay or you just rotate your screen, it has to adjust the brightness. So that's why we give this permission away. Now the next one, last one, is the easiest one because we need to grant the notifications. Now here we can enable it, and as you guys can see, it works perfectly fine. We can see how low we can go without flickers on the camera. And if we get, let's say, bored of this, we can just tap here and then we can change our brightness manually again. So as you guys can see, now our brightness is changed manually. After that, if you still experience flickers even with the app, then I would recommend checking for software updates. So go to settings and go to about phone. Here tap on HyperOS. And as you guys can see, there are no updates available, so that means I am on the latest version. But if you have an update available, you'll see the button right here to download and install in the place where the community of Xiaomi is. And I recommend updating the software to get rid of any old glitches because they are gone in the latest versions. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.